So before starting the exercise, we have to learn comparing number. You know to compare the number. Previously we did, but this is the 3-digit number, so we will understand again. Okay. So here two numbers are given, 405 and here is 97. So first rule is compare with the last digit. This is the 100 place and here it is tens place. Okay. So no digit in hundreds place. It means 405 is greater than 97. 97 is having only 2 digit and this is having 3 digits. So always 3 digit number is greater than 2 digit number, or 2 digit number is greater than 1 digit number. Okay. See, when you want to compare the 3 digit number together, so first you compare the place of 100. Okay, if the place of hundreds are same, then come to the next number in tens place 1 and 2. See, 1 is smaller than 2 and 2 is greater. So we can say 513 is smaller than 527. Or see here, 587 and 534. Okay, in both the hundreds place are same. Always start from the last. This is the last one. 100 place is same. So come to the next place, that is tens. In tens, here it is 8 and here it is 3. So which is greater? 8 is greater. So 587 is greater than 534. Okay. See, here it is explained. In hundreds place both the numbers are same, but in tens place 1 is smaller than 2. It means 513 is smaller than 527. See the next example, 587, 534. In hundreds place both the digits are same, so we are moving towards tens place. In the first number, in tens place there is 8 and here is 3. When we will compare, so we found 8 is greater than 3. It means 587 is greater than 534. Now shall we do this? Okay. Fill in the blanks with smaller than, greater than, or equal to. Okay. So 214 and here is 95. So it has 3 digit and it has 2 digit. We already learnt that 2 digit number is smaller and 3 digit is greater. So 214 is greater than 95. So here 404 and 404 both are same. 404, 404. So equal to sign will come. 987. Here is 700. So see the hundreds place. When we compare the 100 place, we found that the 9 is greater than 7. It means 987 is greater than 789. Now we will see the 10th one. 372 and 327. In both the place, both the number, the 100 place are same. But compare the tens place. Tens place, in first number there is 7, in second number 2. So this 7 will be greater. So 372 is greater than 327. Now see here, 509, here is 590. In 500 place both are same. So comparing with the tens place, in tens here is 0 and here is 9. So 9 will be greater and 509 or 509 is smaller than 590. Like that. 372. In this case, 3 and 7, hundreds place and tens place are same. So we have to compare with the ones place. In ones place, here is 2 and here is 5. So this is 372 smaller than 375. See here, 260 and 265. These two places are same, but the ones place here is 0 and here is 5. So 0 will be smaller and 5 is greater. So 260 is smaller than 265. Here 150, 150 both are same. See here, 394. Here is 349. The hundreds place are same, so we will consider the tens place. 9 is greater, so see 394 is greater than 349. The next number is 894, 896. So both the 800 and 99 will be same. So we have to compare with ones to 6 and 4. So 894 is smaller. Like that we have to do. These two are equal, and here 400 and 500. 5 is greater and 4 is small. So 485 smaller than 586. Understood? So now we will see here greatest number in each of the group. Okay. So 560, 650, 506, 456, 617. So the greatest 100 place value which the number is having is 650 and 617. Okay, so we have to compare first in this because other are lesser than the 600. Both the 100 place are same, so we will compare the next number, that is tens place. Here it is 5 and here it is 1. So 650 is greater than whole group. Okay, see here 272, 173, 772, 471, 127. So here is 21741. So we found that the 7 this number is having 7 and this is the greater number. Okay, see the next number, 495, 461, 616, 401 and 561. See, we are having only one digit which is in which 100 digit is the greatest, so we can put here tick. Okay, see this 663 and here is 9, here is also 9, so 9s are greater, no? So we have to compare with the second digit. Here is 4 and here is 5, so this is greater. Like that, cross out the smallest number in each of the groups. So we have to cross out the number 437, then 5, then again 5, then 3, then 2. So we know that the 2 will be the smallest in this group. 236, 612, 587, 135. See, the 100 place is having 1 rather than other. It is having 4, here is 5, here is 6 and here is 2 and this one will be. Okay, it is asking us to cross, so we have to make cross. I have made tick by mistake, so this is a cross. Okay, come to the B1, the next one. The next is 748, then 5, then 3, then 6, then 5. 3 is smaller. Okay, so 3 is, we have to make cross here. Here is 400, here is 600, then 800, then again 300, and this we have to compare with this 300 because smallest 100 place is 300. So we will compare the next number. Here is 2 and here is 9, so this is smaller. Okay, now we have to write in ascending order. Ascending order means we have to arrange the number smaller to greater, smallest to greatest number. So in the, to compare the number, first we have to check the place, 100 place. Then if the 100 place is same, then we will see the tens place. See, 728, then 132, 475, 317, 324, 289. So the smallest number which is having 1 in 100 place is 132. So I have written. Then 2 will come, 289. Then there is a comparison with 324 and 317. We know in 317 the tens place is 1 and here is 2. So 317. Then after 324, then 575. Then last is 728. Okay. Now we will see the decreasing order. In descending or decreasing order, we have to arrange the number from greatest to smallest because the number is going to be decrease. Okay, see. Two 123, 486, 206, 373, 278 and 109. See, the greatest number which is having greatest number in 100 place is 483. So 483 should be first. Then the next will be 373. The next. Then we have to comparison between 223, 206 and 270. Definitely 278 will be greater than 223, then 206. The last number is 109. Okay. So like that you have to arrange the number from the greatest to smaller. This is called descending order.